Welcome! In front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR Monroe, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your iPhone. First, we need to open the Fossil Smartwatch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the application. Actually, let me close it and open it again, like this. And once you open the application, you should see this page. Now, tap on the watch icon right here in the top right corner to open the device menu for your Monroe watch. Scroll down through this page right here. And at the bottom, you should see the button called Remove Watch. Tap on it, tap on Remove. The watch will disappear from the app. Now you can close the application. Open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, you can tap on Bluetooth. Find the Fossil Hybrid HR on the list of devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device. And tap on Forget device to disconnect it from your iPhone. And now you can close the settings. And at this point, the watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.